Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the art of finding inner peace through mindfulness. If you've been seeking ways to reduce stress, improve focus, and live a more balanced life, you're in the right place. But before we jump into the daily habits and exercises, let's first understand what mindfulness is and why it's worth our attention. Picture this. You're sitting by a calm lake, the water reflecting the world around you. Your mind is clear, and you're fully present in the moment. This, my friends, is the essence of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully aware and engaged in the present moment, without judgment. It's about experiencing life as it happens, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Research has shown that practicing mindfulness can reduce stress, improve mental clarity, enhance emotional well-being, and even boost physical health. It's like a magic elixir for modern life. Now let's get practical with some beginner-friendly mindfulness exercises you can try right now. Exercise 1. Mindful breathing. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and feel the air entering your lungs. Exhale slowly and notice the sensation. Repeat this for a few minutes. It's a quick way to anchor yourself in the present. Exercise 2. Body scan. Start from your toes and work your way up, paying attention to any tension or sensations. This helps you connect with your body and release physical stress. Exercise 3. Mindful eating. Take a small food item, like a raisin, and observe it closely. Feel its texture, smell its aroma, and savor its taste. Eating mindfully enhances our appreciation for food and promotes healthier eating habits. Now that you've got a taste of mindfulness, let's explore how you can weave it into your daily routine. Tip 1. Tech breaks. Dedicate a few minutes each day to disconnect from screens. Instead, focus on your surroundings, listen to the sounds, and observe the world without digital distractions. Tip 2. Mindful moments. Turn daily rituals like making tea or taking a shower into mindfulness exercises. Pay attention to the sensations and actions involved, turning them into peaceful rituals. Here are 2 more practical tips and exercises to help you master mindfulness. Tip 3. Candle gazing. Light a candle and focus on the flame. Watch it dance and flicker. This simple practice can help calm a busy mind and enhance concentration. Tip 4. Gratitude journal. Before bed, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. This practice shifts your focus from worries to positive aspects of life, promoting inner peace. There you have it, folks. 5 actionable daily habits to help you find inner peace through mindfulness. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. So, as you embark on your mindfulness journey, take it one step at a time. With practice, you'll find that tranquility and balance are well within your reach. Thanks for joining us today on Mastering Mindfulness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone seeking a more peaceful and mindful life. Until next time, stay present and find your inner peace.